Welcome to Verdana Village in Estero, Florida, a new home community that will include 2,400 single-family homes. Amenities include a gated entrance, 2 indoor tennis courts, 4 indoor pickleball courts along with 12 outside pickleball courts and 6 outside tennis courts. The community also features indoor basketball and indoor volleyball and an outside resort-style pool. The community is situated on 2,100 acres. 17 acres have been set aside for 100,000 square feet of commercial space, which will include a grocery store currently under construction, restaurants, a dry cleaner, shops, and offices. For information on new and resale homes, please contact Southwest Coast Realty for more information. Call 239-229-9926. There is a link to the available resale homes on the video description below. Thanks for watching.